we have developed a quite innovative model of engaging corporations as corporate members of the center. The value proposition for them is beyond the usual offerings like industry conferences and roundtables where they can interact with their peers, is an applied project. It is a problem that they have that we are going to address through a combination of our faculty, our students at all levels, undergraduate, MBAs, and doctoral level, depending on the challenge of the problem. And we are going to deliver a solution in a time frame of 3 to 4 months as a consulting report, a presentation, and whatever other tools are applicable to that particular project. And this is an example of how we have executed the strategy of the All-in Business School in coming very close ties with our corporate partners through the skills of our faculty and our students. Our corporate partners get value out of it, our students get value out of it because they get applied learning, and our faculty have an opportunity to apply their skills and bring fresh material to the classroom.